Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to do another remake of one of my soaps that I do. It's an ocean scented fragrance. It sells pretty well. A lot of the kids like it, plus it's always got fun colors, so it's a nice fragrance. I have just mixed in my oils, and I've got I mixed in my colloidal oatmeal and my kaolin clay. You want to make sure that gets mixed in really well. I've got my lye water that has been cooled down to room temp. I'm going to go ahead and add this in, and this is a 5-pound batch. This is not a test batch, it's a larger batch. And this fragrance does accelerate a little bit, so it's can be fun, a little tricky to work with if you want like a real specific design. But I've learned how to work with it over time, and you just kind of go with the flow. I usually do a white and then two blues or 2 shades of blue, teal greens, turquoise green, something like that. So, and there goes the fragrance. And so it doesn't really rice, but it does accelerate a little bit. So it just kind of is what it is. And I just kind of stir it in a little bit just to make sure we're good to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and separate out my colors and get everything ready to pour into my diamond mold. Or I guess this is the sapphire mold. Diamond and sapphire, they're the same exact molds, just different colors. So go ahead and enjoy the pour, and I'll be back for the cut. All right, got that soap all done, cleaned up. In the oven it went. And now we're going to do the cut. I really actually liked how this one came out. I did a little bit different design than normal, but sometimes I didn't quite know how much it was going to thicken up. So it's not really like, it's not a drop swirl. I think there is a technique for this one, just kind of plop and drop. And I don't use anything to stir it in, so just you kind of get what you get, but it's an ocean theme, so I like the colors, I like the contrast. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, use a spoon to kind of texture out the top, smooth everything over, and I'll be back for the cut.